In this video, I'll share with you how you can make money using AI, even if you are a complete beginner. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, AI is changing the game. It's not a secret, and smart people are already making money with it. Whether you want passive income or a full-time AI business, I'll break it down for you. One of the easiest ways to make money with AI is by selling AI generated content. This includes AI generated art, logos, videos, ebooks, or even music. For you to do this, you have to use tools like Leonardo AI, OpenArt, or Midjourney to create high quality images and sell them on Etsy, Fiverr, or Redbubble. AI can also make freelancing easier and faster. You can use tools like ChatGPT for copywriting, Jasper AI for blog writing, and Levin Labs for AI voiceovers. Now, offer these services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour and get paid for AI assistant work. Also, AI can help you grow on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok by automating content creation. Tools like Synthesia and Runway can generate AI videos, while ChatGPT can write captions and scripts. AI can help you create and schedule posts in bulk. Then you can monetize this content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, etc. AI is capable of helping you make passive income with affiliate marketing. So, for instance, you can use ChatGPT or Write to write blog posts that sell, or product reviews, or social media posts that include affiliate links. And when people click on these links, they will be able to buy. And when they buy, you are paid something. So for you to be able to do that, you can join programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share SL, and earn commissions every time someone buys through your links. Another thing is businesses are willing to pay for AI automation. So you can offer services like chatbot setup, AI-powered customer support, or AI-based marketing automation. For that, you can use tools like ManyChat for AI chatbots and Zapier for workflow automation. And you can charge businesses for setup and management. If you want to scale even faster, you can combine multiple AI income streams. For example, you can use AI to create content, then you can build an audience and sell digital products or services at the same time. And so you can see with AI, making money is easier than ever. All you have to do is pick a method that suits you, take action, and start earning. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like this video for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning making money online with AI, drop them in the comments. I'll be able to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.